16 Ranch-style homes. This stunning white stucco ranch from Graham Moss _ interior style is giving us major mid-century modern vibes. The oversized windows provide a lot of natural light, while the overhanging eaves protect the interior from the bright Palm Beach sun. This cozy arts and crafts property from Tara, Michelle Designs is everything we love about ranch homes. It features a welcoming front porch and a pitched roof that provides loads of architectural interest. The double columns and stonework give it a more classic vibe, which is accentuated with the neutral exterior paint choice. This Southwestern-style home from Penner features white stucco and clay roofing that feels very Spanish-inspired. Though it looks cozy from the outside, the interior features a sprawling open floor plan that reminds us exactly why ranch-style homes are so great. This California ranch home from Watts & Associates is incredibly welcoming and homey. The L-shaped floor plan allows for separation between living space and bedrooms. This lovely bright blue ranch from Deb Cotaroli is considered a storybook ranch. Also known as a Cinderella ranch, these homes feature details that seem to have been lifted directly out of a fairy tale. The adorable scallop detailing on the eaves and the ornamental trim give it a cottage feel that's quaint and unique. While you may think of ranches as only having a single story, there are a few alternatives. This split-level house from Mid-Mod Midwest is an example of a ranch that offers up to 3 levels of living. In a raised ranch like this one from Artisans Group, you'll have the choice of walking upstairs or downstairs when you first enter the home. This ranch is incredibly open and features a vaulted ceiling that opens up the space and makes it feel even larger. There are many advantages of living in a single-story home like this one from Curcio Group Real Estate, but we think easy access to the kitchen for a late-night snack is one of the best. This traditional ranch home is just symmetrical enough to offer a lot of curb appeal, while the varying exterior materials give it texture and interest. Brick is a common exterior material used in ranch homes. This lovely little ranch from Planet_Wisco not only features brick siding, but also has a fun pink pathway leading up to the house. As seen in many brick homes, this house has a cozy porch that's just big enough for a small seating area, but still provides shelter by the front door. Many ranch homes were built in the mid-20th century, like this stunning white brick home from Carl V12. We love the mid-century charm of the exterior detailing and the bright, cheery blue front door. Though ranch homes are often low to the ground, they can still have a lot of architectural details that give them a lot of curb appeal. This quaint little ranch-style home from Preferred_Properties has a cozy vibe that feels almost like a little cottage in the woods. The brick exterior feels modern next to the blue front door and bright window trim, and while it doesn't have a true front porch, the winding pathway makes room for a couple of wooden benches. Sure, there are pros and cons to a home with oversized windows, but we think the massive windows of this house from Penner are beyond dreamy. Not only does a ranch home often provide a wide open style floor plan, but large, oversized windows make the whole space feel even more airy and large. This angular ranch home from Mid-Mod Midwest is a quintessential mid-century modern property with an L-shaped floor plan, a lot of large windows and an open concept. We love how it gives off a retro feel with deep brown exterior paint and the original brick. Just imagine sitting on this oversized porch from Modern Archive Shop with a large cup of coffee and a good book. We love the geometric feel of the entire space, and the platform porch definitely plays well with the rest of the house. Whether it's the moody exterior paint or the visually interesting architecture, there's just something about this home from mid-century defined that you can't take your eyes off. The black paint on this home gives the house a modern feel, while the angular architecture lends it the retro vibe we love. One of the best elements of a ranch home is the open concept floor plan it typically provides. This stunning interior from Briggs Freeman is wide open and airy, and really gives a new meaning to the idea of an open floor plan. Plus, the floor-to-ceiling windows create a space that feels very transitional and brings the outdoors in. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.